I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Mailify. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for account ID and API key, please visit Mailify API token. Click on your profile from top right corner. Click on Setting. Then click Developers. Then click Add an API key. Here, give a meaningful name as you want. Copy account number and key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select List. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailify. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now let's go to the Mailify. Here is the data that came into Mailify through the integration. Thanks for watching.